What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with a new video for you, and this time I'm going to do something I haven't done before. I'm going to do an unboxing. Now, I ordered a pair of shoes from FENTY PUMA, and I've never ordered shoes from that brand before, from Rihanna's brand. I did order a sweatshirt like a couple of years ago and I did like that. So I'm going to open this box and I'll give you guys a reaction as I have it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here it is, here's the box. It's a massive box. I can't even fit into the camera. Now, I'm sorry you guys might not be able to see me properly. I can't fit us both in. Okay, so I've changed the angle for you guys so you can have a clearer view. The opening this. A lot of tape around it. I don't know why it's like a box within a box, which I find a bit odd. So this is the box. Very big. I don't know if you guys can guess what style of shoe I got from the size of the box. You guys can see you get a massive like bag, dust bag that says FENTY all over it. I think it's pretty cool to have your surname all over a sports brand. Here we go, these are the shoes. It's this orange patent ankle boot with a wedge, but it's not like any other kind of wedge boot. It has this perspex detail which you guys can see, which is so cool, and then it has the Puma symbol there. So yeah, it looks like it's a pretty high boot. And then it has like a zip at the side to zip into. They're very Rihanna, they're very bold, and I love heels. I'm kind of like a collector of heels, even if I don't wear them as much as I should. I feel pretty edgy out there heels. I think this will fit into my collection perfectly. I first saw these boots on Rihanna's SS18 runway show, one of the models, and it just really stood out to me. They also have a flip-flop high heel, which is insane. It looks insane, it looks so uncomfortable, but I don't know, once that gets released I might even try and order that, see what that's like. But yeah, I saw these and I wanted these straight away. I thought, yeah, whenever this is available I'm going to be getting it. That is my unboxing, my first one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the boot in the comments below, and I probably will feature this in future videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you again next time.